urugendo we bari munonga ha urugendo ru narukuruka turuka hwire kunka inarusya nanye ndiye nindumara noreba kurwahika rwagati nebiroma byarara nuko kumanya ngo urugendo ndubartorori. If you are celebrating a journey without some hiccups, that is not a what? That's where ice man. Omcharo gun bamweta Dr. Stavia kandi ni commissioner omchitongore cy'ebyamagara omuziba kweta National Communicable Disease. So ni commissioner National Communicable Disease Control. So na rwanda sedwara nyingi tumuterero mu ngaro zamani. Kandi rizoba niwe yizayebembire kitongore cy'ebyamagara kiryaha nindeba ubwo mwame w'ukora yemerera tekwa kuba ari umwana wanjye wa AIDS Commission, Uganda AIDS Commission twe hano ko mukono yebare munonga. So tasoryaha cyayinare ganye cyane ukamambine ukamonyambe kazima mukamanisha ende mukamonyambe umere mano kushisha kwande mukamambine namuna kuno muboro wanjye waba wiza kupagira hano ko mukonete n'abashemerwa munonga ruhanga tuberira wambabasi hano keburote twabakira munonga Uganda ankore omukono guteka hanso urorebe so karabari mwe bantu mwe mu buyayo mu buzibu bw'enseki no kuresanya we karesaho no kusindana kukasindaho kukwiza uko bunabire zibo mu kibanda cy'amatatu ikiretwaho mu masitaka furiyata hameza bukongi aganzi cyanga nawe kishogotona wakihemba wizengera kizihayo zera z'abakazi baziyekwe ntarukora ngokera izuba ihishiriza nijurira izina rya Yesu mazima mukamaniza General Sabimini Maraba Mwena Apollo Razak Banks Uganda uwa mukono nakaze kureba abantu banje muriyo anuka mukono woshemerirwe General Sabimini webaresha Dabuda wakane Yesu nadamba omukikuru turi mu kuramaze iwe fusi we niwe fakazi Yesu nadamba urana ukisha muriyo kamarebe agure champane nonga yebare munonga kazi patomunda mukise kazi mamu sister charte we CJ champion yebare kabaka we kale tuzinemu so hanuka mukono ulo nachi Deka matera kesho ngoro kamwe onarebo shorya yaba onarebo wanje nakushemero orike chawa nanu stop it kamwe konka deri nyonzo muhumo chawa kumiza muno basi amundi wafa utakafa yo
Nukutina hanga tatena tuenda kuuza omyaka itanu yo mission reka noza kubona ingayi ningashi wende kiroto cy'umuntu kuyamba abana babahansa batakwiyamba
so kumiza muno basa nabundi wafwa utakafa yo no basa hakuba nibasika amazima nibasika watamama ninobifuna hakuba nibibasika amazima nibibasika watamama ninobifuna hakuba nibibasika ekikuru munonga n'okutandika nankamwishi kiwesimuka ebiti by'okuceceba n'okwiruka bakusigira ati bandizire okikuzekire kumeru gasesire kati kitware ngo birutinire ushingwa bishoka biregakomere imikono yawe bire sho enyigi n'amadirisa urarebe wena hatenye gituzigure imikono n'amaguru bikomororwe amishogo nagahumure ebahora hora ikirere aho yereje urashe padra sorangazi wakagano kashabana abana wana amabara kwe ama aya Dr. Stavia washtamakale bakunyerekewe so nibibasika amazima nibibasika watamamani no bifuna urorere Robert Kachebeza ijako wakagwiko sebo nawe bikabasika omubanda wakabaka karga kamucha urorere omubanda wakabaka karga kamucha iwe namasada na mera she mumine muzeya kare ko mutanuru konka sebo nawe iwachi yao no urano yewa mamani kanya afite beze byaka China no garukwa mamani story yanjye katandikiro ko mu rubushe ararga yo twafuruka twatoro ko mu rubushe koko mane byo kushema byarema ko kushara mukatandika kushubure ko ebye ko kwebyo nayo nazitaka yayo natanga yawo bana agaruka mushenyi ubwonyi hurayi twafurukire nawe koko natandika kuzware bitete hansi natorege ngayikunada yo iyari umchubagaranga nateka makarego mu mwakarega ngo futandika futeka mbansi ngo bagaranga kaba nikora amabere enyuma yanjye ngo futandika kuzware kimuntu ari umukazwa watatu aturashaka ko nawe narega semeze mwenda nato bagaranga nateka yempaka tunaganda kutambura umwanya nakoro China nazana n'amatate bitana navuga nagaruka mushenyi nuko futani ko gukora ama radio narga ama radio nataka kora TV abazi bakayongera buri kimwe cy'abastede ukanareba cyeta gisaka school abaganda batandika munaza kuyo sate tu abamwe batandika munaza kwa kajo frere rutaye abamwe bajya mutakuza kureza points runyiganiza kuyo isatu zaratu namu yote nafira nakorana na man ngajya kushora rizasura if I did it, others did it. Why the other can't? Bija Pumba Nachi. One or each is down in Vascan, come Kondo Gumotoreve. Unkashini and Akubanza Kumanya, Murichine Tureve. Dr. Silva Mujisha Ostam Saidichi. Nkai Barahari. Enyuma yankai nachi ekigenderwa cyanye mbenye namu mbenye namu twaza futera show nakabuya nakamwiza si ari abiri kabiri mbenye namu twaza kweshongora aha urutindo rwa gatetero berwawira abantu bagera ibari etwa unkariye ndaza kwana cyo mukiterero mu ngaro nabashemerwa garanga mwakoraki nisaba nyine kikwenda gamba ko kanyenda kumanya Dr. Stavia har kwara abakiro nyenda kumanya tebe yarho ni ukuntu murano wanjye katete so sente zwampani ngana mabanza go kubano tubanza duka gona gawera iwor broka wa mataka utarianga set ato kuno murana wanje bamwita godar opposite na nyoko ati tuinabe shongozi binji konka ogogu natura makamusingo sana chibara kore yomar kwenda kuleta sente sana zireto mrundo gumwe aba media tubasima muna nyenda kubanza kumareda chikisha tu zonka den tukale kurabe shongozi konka arwe shonga yamani Stavia konka yebare muno mazimagaranga Dr. Stavia for the first time ije mutere makabara ije kunu ya higuru aza nankogo benono ndere bintu byanje 40 bare munonga dije kurusha urugendo we bari munonga urugendo ru na rukuruka turukahwire kunkaina rusya nanye ndiye nindumara noreba kurwahika rwagati nebyoma byarara nuko kumanya ngo rigendo ndubarutoroshye. If you are celebrating a journey without some hiccups, that is not a what? Was that where Iceman? Omcharo Gun Ramweta, Dr. Stavia, Canon Commissioner, Omchitongorechevia Magara, Mzibakweta, National Communicable Disease, so the Commissioner, National Communicable Disease Control. So now one said, what I need to Mutero Mungarozaman. Kandi rizoba nuwayiza yebembire kitongore cy'ebyamagara kiryaha nindeba ubwo mwame w'ukora yemereye atekwa kuba ari umwana wanjye wa AIDS Commission, Uganda AIDS Commission twe hano ko mukono yebare munonga so taso ryaha Uganda Stop TB ryaha National TB and Process ryaha abwa kikozire nishaba ba media hatu mu Rwanda yo kusheka byakacyayina ninga bihabyona ekimukurikize abo kuba amagara gitwine kutwara nkakikudutu ruko mujyasite byo kujyamura handi babigamba ngo abantu 20 bafa ukitwara for granted mwendo kutastavia ukukora shongwe tanduko mukasheshe kandi nziri kushira futani kashahina. There is a lot that I sacrifice to make sure that the medical team is here. Kandi ejo chendetire kukora speech yanje eyinguza kubaho ko abantu kamukaga kandi nshaba mu gihugu kizende n'umpumure ibintu bizakurataho. Honorable representatives from Ministry of Health, Director, Regional Referral Hospital, District Health officials, all implementing partners, religious leaders, local leaders, fellow musicians, and Ugandans. I am thrilled to stand before you today on my event on General Waka China. I want to express my deepest gratitude to the Minister of Health and Uganda Stop TB Partnership Plus National TB and Process Program in partnering with me to promote health and end diseases like TB, HIV, malaria, and other health challenging diseases that are affecting Uganda. As we gather here today, I want to emphasize the importance of our collaboration. The ministry participation in this event is crucial as it brings vital health services to our community. The provision of health services in this event, such as TB screening, HIV testing, malaria, condom promotion, and provision and other health services will save lives and promote overall well-being. Reports from Minister of Health indicate that HIV prevalence in the Ankole region stands at 7.9%, which is above the national figure. Mbarara is leading district in the region with 14%, Chirura at 9.5%, Busheng at 9.2%, Mbarara stay at 8.1%, Ibanda at 7.3%, and Shema 7.5%, among others. But this is a national thing. This is due to the many temptations faced in life, such as risk sex, increased number of people, especially the youth, who use alcohol and drugs like marijuana, etc., which may expose us to HIV, TB, and other drug diseases. Community is still faced with the challenge of high malaria cases and deaths due to negligence within communities, like refusing to sleep under treated mosquito nets. As a celebrity, I recognize the significant influence I have on my audience. However, I have noticed that many of my fellow celebrities have not given the nighttime business the awareness it needs. Most events have not included the Minister of Health to carry out the crucial task of informing and teaching people. This is why I have decided to become exemplary to the rest by continuing by participating with the Minister of Health and other partners to bring these essential services on my event. I would also like to highlight the spread and control of TB, HIV, and malaria. For example, TB can spread through the air from an infected person to another when someone talks, laughs, coughs, or sings, etc. And for HIV, if someone exposes to multiple partners without using protection like condoms, I believe that all ministers, all ministries and other partners can work together to these challenges and get more celebrities on board, whom I am willing to influence and mentor them with the help of the Minister of Health. Together, we can make this work a lot and more impactful and reach as many people as possible, especially throughout these events. I would also like to call upon my fellow celebrities to join me in this fight against diseases. Let us not only focus on entertainment, our fans, but also prioritize their health as well-beings. We have a massive influence on our audience, and it's our responsibility to use our platforms to spread vital health information. I urge all celebrities to collaborate with the Ministry of Health and partners to bring health services to their events. Let us work together to create awareness, health promotion and disease control, most especially malaria, HIV, TB, leprosy, and other non-communicable diseases that affect our communities. Furthermore, I would like to extend this call to our religious leaders. Ladies and gentlemen, we have seen many clips of religious leaders, but we have not seen many clips of religious leaders talking about the spread of diseases and how we can end it. You are influence leaders and reach more, and I implore you to use your platforms to spread health information. Your daily interactions with countless individuals provide a unique opportunity to educate and inform them about vital health services. I would like to express my gratitude to the religious leaders, political leaders, and other stakeholders who have already met with me and pledged their support. I look forward to meeting with more of you in different areas and working together to combat these diseases. I acknowledge the Minister of Health, Next Media, Victoria University, Airtel Uganda, Global Buses, Uganda Stop TB Partnership, National TB and Leprosy Program, and all individuals that have supported me through these ventures. May God reward you. Together, we can create a healthier, more informed community. Valentine Health Akachina. I thank you. Taro kurugar kama munyagore tuzakuronda mpora mpora emwachingani byebi. Kama bampero mukisafo now show yaza kutandika kanze kuramutsa abantu kamukaga MC Kacheche tukumize mushetandike nanyenze kwetebe kanisa twaje kiruho na nabandi bingi show tugitandike wanje anko wirba wajamweje mereni ya muyona agire bakareroho mukama batero mukisha show tugitandike officially. Thank you.